Hello, and welcome to Novobi's Odoo Accounting demo series. In this video, I'll explain how you can create a new invoice and send it to a customer. I'll also show how we improved the invoice lists in Odoo by adding two new fields, AR in charge, which is useful for assigning an accountant to handle a list of customers, and aging days, which keeps track of the number of days an invoice is past its due date. To get started, let's go to the Accounting module. There are two ways to create a new invoice. I can click on the New Invoice button in the Customer Invoices section on the dashboard, which is the home screen, or I can go to the Sales menu, choose Customer Invoices, and click Create. As you can see, we can see the new field AR in charge. And when I select a customer, the system will automatically populate the payment term and AR in charge with the default values I set up for that customer. So all I need to do is select the date, and the system will calculate the due date based on the payment term. We can also fill in optional fields such as salesperson and sales channel. By clicking Add an Item, I can start adding lines to this invoice. I can also write internal notes or review tax information. When I'm finished, I can click Validate to move the invoice from the draft to open status. As you can see, we now have a message saying we have outstanding payments or credit notes, as well as a list of payments or notes to apply. Now that the invoice is validated, we can send it to the customer. There are two ways to send an invoice. If I choose Print Invoice, I can download a PDF, which I can either print and send physically, or attach to an email. If I'm going to email the invoice, I can save a couple steps, directly choose Send by Email, and have Odoo send it for me. The Compose Email pop-up appears, and I can edit the default template or choose a new one. The default template includes a link where a customer can view the invoice online. They can also download the attached PDF. From this screen, I can also attach additional files. So let's go back to the customer invoice list. Compared to the original version here, we can see two new columns that Novobi added, AR in charge and aging days. With AR in charge, we can take advantage of the Group By feature to easily see who's in charge of which invoices. We've also added some predefined filters to filter based on aging day range. As you can see, that option isn't available in original Odoo. One cool feature available in Odoo out of the box is that we can use different views to see our invoices. The default is List View, but we can change to Kanban View, Pivot Table for a summary or to drill down to different levels. We also have different chart views, for example the pie chart. By default, we can see total invoice value by customer, but we can choose different measures if we want. That concludes today's topic. Thank you for watching.